AMB crew, so before we get into the video, I want to show you guys this necklace that Soulfully sent me. It is a name necklace. You guys always ask me about my name necklaces and things like that, so I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys. The necklace is of great quality. I have another necklace from them. It is in rose gold and I absolutely love it, but I really love this one as well. So everything about Soulfully will be in the description box below, so check there, and my coupon code is there as well. So alright y'all, so I'm starting off on like kind of semi-wet hair. I got my hair wet in the shower. So I'm just going to do like a side part with a rat tail comb, as you guys can see here. But you necessarily do not have to do a part. You can do like a middle part, or you don't have to do a part at all. It is all up to you. So I'm just going to clip that away, and then I'm going to brush my baby hairs down. So I went ahead and I added some water to my fro, just a little bit more water, and I'm just making sure everything is like fully detangled and everything like that. So I'm just going to take the Edge Booster Styling Gel, guys. This is the gel, not the pomade, and it is in the pineapple scent, and this is what I'm going to be using today to slick down my hair. I did do a full review on this product, so if you guys are interested in that, it will be linked in the description box below, so you guys can hear my thoughts on it and everything like that. So I'm just slicking down my hair, moving fast, but you know, not too fast, because I do want to make sure my hair is as sleek as possible. And that's why usually when I do parts, I do like to have my hair wet, because it does help to lay down your hair a lot better. But that's just what I'm doing here. And normally I would put an oil or some moisturizer on my hair before applying the gel, but I had previously did that like a few nights before, so my hair was already moisturized. So always kind of like prep your hair, add an oil on top just so your hair doesn't dry out underneath the gel. But as you guys can see, I'm getting my hair super sleek. I like to use my hand. My hand really helps like smooth the hair out as well as the brush. So I use that kind of combination, and the top of my head is the part of my head that always likes to stick up. So I'm trying to like make sure I get that as smooth as possible. So we are doing a low pony. You can do your ponytail however you want, but I know low ponytails are like totally trending right now. So I wanted to show you guys another way you can do one for a super affordable price. So as you guys can see, I'm just putting my real hair into a ponytail, and then I'm going to continue to smooth my hair down and get everything into place how I want it. The only product that I used was the Edge Booster, and as you guys can see, it got my hair really sleek. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my scarf, and we're going to sleep like this overnight and let our hair set into place. And now it is the next day, and I did go ahead and put another scarf on my head when I went to sleep, just so my scarf would not come off. And as y'all can see, my hair got super sleek, it's slick, it's down, everything looks nice and in place. So I'm just going to go back in and comb down my baby hairs, and I'm just going to gel those up. I like to go in with a little bit of Eco Styler gel first, just to loosen them up, and then, you know, just to set them in place. And then I went back in with the Edge Booster. So I'm just doing some like simple little swoops or whatever. You can do whatever you would like to your edges, or you can just slick them back. This step is definitely optional, and I do have my curly cues out. Y'all know how I love my curly cues. I haven't worn them out in so long, so that's just what I'm doing here with the Eco Styler gel, curling them up. And I just did the same thing to the other side of my head, and I did tie my edges down while I did my makeup, just so that everything will stay in place. Today we're going to be using the BUNTIE. I've showed this on my channel before, but it was a straight one. I will link it in the description box below so you guys can check that video out. But this one is more like on the kinkier side. It's like Marley hair basically, and it comes with the hair already wrapped around the string, and it has like a little drawstring. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to literally attach it to my ponytail, and then I'm going to pull the drawstring and wrap the string around my ponytail. And it's really secure, guys. It stays in place. They have an array of colors. The color that I have is TP1B350. I got this at my local beauty supply store, and it was only like $4.99, y'all. So this style is very affordable. So I just pin, you know, the string into place just to make sure everything stays, you know, in place. I don't want my ponytail falling off. So I'm just pinning it where I feel, you know, it to be comfortable. I don't want it to be uncomfortable, so just be careful where you pin it. So that's just what I'm doing here. And then I'm literally just going to take some of the hair from the ponytail and I'm going to wrap it around the base. That way, like, my real hair won't be peeking through and everything will be nice and secure and sturdy. So that's just what I'm going to do here. As you guys can see, I'm literally just going to wrap it around and pin it into place. It's really easy, guys. Really simple. And it holds up. I did sleep with this ponytail in and my hair still looked good the next day. So this is a style that you can wear for multiple days. Just make sure you tie it up at night. Y'all, excuse my forehead. When I took off my scarf, I forgot to blend my makeup up to my baby hair, so just excuse it. But I'm just going to go ahead and take some oil sheen and I'm literally going to put that all over my head. And this is how my hair turned out, guys. Super sleek. Everything's on fleek. It's on point. I absolutely love this ponytail. It's so cute. It matches my hair really nicely and I like the length of it. So us 4C girls can do a long sleek ponytail, so I wanted to bring you guys this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.